Moving in the hallway. We are here at the boardwalk. Sam's checked in. He's gonna take an elevator ride. Yeah. Ready for an elevator ride, buddy? Huh? You ready?
Yeah. That's what I get to do. No, it's not a rig.
We'll wait till
Yeah, we can have like a little balcony. You can stand out here and look and see.
Oh, yeah. Little balcony downstairs. Oh, Mom got one. Sam's okay. There we go.
Two.
Think it
I
talks?
think one takes us down to the pool.
Oh, I think so.
Boardwalk area.
Yeah, I think you're
Two, I
right.
think, puts us-
Then we gotta clear through the lobby, buddy, to find the bus station.
Oh.
Okay? Oh, this is 4. You ready, bud? Moo. You're moving in the elevator, man.
I don't think they allow cows at the boardwalk.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna let you do that,
It's kind of
Sam.
a classy place.
Yeah. Okay. You got it? All right, buddy. Let's go find the buses. Okay. Ready, Chief? Thank you. Want to sign off? We're at the bus station. See, this is how you get down there. You walk down that little pathway there. We'll get Sam. We're going to go to Disney Springs, so we'll see how long that's going to take. We'll stand at the wheelchair spot. Well, they like you to stand there, and then they know they got a wheelchair, because it affects how they load the bus. So we're all set. Here's the Skyliner. You can take that from our hotel to Epcot. Are you waiting for a bus? Are you waiting for your bus ride? You by yourself? You're gonna wait right here till it comes? Are you gonna flag them down? You gonna tell them you're going to Disney Springs when they ask? See, I'm going shopping. You wanna do that?
You must have just missed it. Next one's not till 5:40.
Okay, well I'm gonna pause it. We'll wait McDonald for your first bus ride at Disney. No, we might not be on this bus. They don't have room. Oh, that's Disney Springs behind her.
Just take as many as you can now. Yeah, leave the rest for me.
So we'll go with you?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna go with him. Woohoo! That sound good? So it's not gonna be a Donald bus. You're just gonna ride a old regular bus. That's okay. We're gonna get there, aren't we?
You're gonna get a much emptier bus.
Ooh.
What's in your faces?
Ooh. Just like O-B-N-E-S was his name.
I know.
Omnis? 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 That was a very interesting name. Did you see him give me a bump? He gave me a hot treat, give me a bump. He gave me a fist bump. I said, are we going to ride with you? And he said, yeah. And he goes like this. He gave me a fist bump. Huh? Yeah, I don't know. I think he's trying to get a hold of her. Oh, you want to come down that way? Come on, Sam. We're going to go that way and get loaded, buddy. Thank you. There we go. Sam's first Disney ride bus of this race, and it just stopped raining. Can you believe that? How perfect.
Waited 2 days for this ride. First bus ride of the trip.
Yeah, first bus ride. I got a couple too. I think it's just coming off the trees though. Oh, that's loud, Sam. This is your favorite part, getting on the bus. Got him, Carrie? Carrie's the pro.
Working on her takeoff here.
She's got this. He's got it. All right, buddy.
You didn't sit down?
Yeah, just to be safe. Thank you, sir. There you go, Sam.
Good, Sam. Sam, you gonna get good. I'm a good guy. That's what they say.
Hey, come on, hon.
Come on in.
How do you pronounce your name?
Obvious.
Obvious? Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We actually went to.
Okay, bud. You all set? We'll see you at Disney Springs. You gonna ride by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Sign off. Just was on a big bus. It was full. He sat all by himself back there. So we're at Disney Springs. We're gonna walk around, check out a couple things, and head back tonight. There's no parks today. We just got in, so we're gonna chill out at the room after a little dinner. So he'll open it up and we'll. Bus driver's name is Omnes, O-B-N-E-S. Really nice guy. That's loud, Sam. What do you tell him, Sammy?
Bye, folks.
Thank you, sir. Okay, Sam, first bus ride. What do you think?
Oh, with him.
You rode with him, didn't you? You want to sign off? Your first bus ride of the day. On that, that's the last bus ride of the day. Thanks for riding the bus. That hurting your ears? Yeah. All right. Load you up first. Okay, Marty is the bus driver. Marty. All right.
Better set your brakes, no rolling around.
Can't have you bouncing around. There we go. Strapping you down, Sammy. Don't need you bouncing around out here. Oh my God, we scored. Scored with 37 seconds left. We're up by a field goal. 37 is a long time.
Bye-bye. Tell him your name is Sam.
You're Sam? Hi, Sam.
His name's Marty. Can you say hi, Marty? There you go, buddy. Good manners.
Yes, you got a seatbelt. Good. All set?
Yes, yes.
Any more family here?
No, that's it.
Yep, I think it is. Thank you, Marty.
Sure, you're welcome.
Hey, you be good up there. No bouncing around, Sam. Causing trouble. Last bus ride of the day for Sam. Thanks, Marty.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, bud. Let's go grab some supper. Off for corn dogs.